A computer writes faster now. It doesn't sleep, doesn't pause. It writes code in seconds. Humans take hours, sometimes days. AI coding tools are rising. Not rising, exploding with power. By early 2025, 41% code is now AI-generated across platforms. That's almost half of everything. Every feature, bug fix, update, a machine helped write it. Think about that for a second. 10 people used to code. Now 3 with AI do it. One person with AI can outperform an entire team daily. It's not science fiction anymore. It's happening in real time. Some tools finish code lines. Some build entire components instantly. Some even deploy full websites from just a voice prompt. AI reads your intent now. It sees your mistakes immediately. It corrects before you blink. Developers call it vibe coding. You tell it your vision. It writes the logic out. Like having 5 assistants around. You just think. It builds the future beside you. By 2026, AI will handle over 60% of code worldwide. That's faster than anyone expected. Even experts are shocked today. Coding schools are already adapting. Boot camps now teach AI prompts. Instead of syntax, they teach how to guide AI thinking. AI doesn't forget anything. It reads thousands of pages of documentation in milliseconds flat. It remembers what you built. It understands your entire architecture. It offers ideas before problems. Amazon's Code Whisperer is one example. It suggests code from context. No clicking or scrolling needed. It just knows what's next. And then there's Qodo, a full-stack dream machine. It understands logic, UI, backend. It can build apps itself. Web apps in one click. Forms, dashboards, databases, done. In 5 minutes or less. And yes, it's real. Developers are already using it. Some startups rely only on AI. No human coder ever touched parts of their launched products. Imagine that for a moment. An app you use daily might have zero human code. That's beautiful. That's terrifying too. What happens when AI fails? Who reads the machine's thoughts? Who checks the logic flow? It's why audits are rising. AI code reviews now exist. There are tools that inspect other tools built by AI. Welcome to recursive development now. Security is the other elephant. Malicious AI-generated code exists. Some hackers train AIs too. They use AI for exploits. Backdoors are written in seconds. Trojan horses disguised as updates. And the scary part is, it's hard to tell sometimes. Developers must watch closely now. Humans still make final calls. But not for long, maybe. OpenAI's Sam Altman said, "This is just the start." We're in AI's teenage years. It hasn't even grown yet. When it matures, game over. The smartest AI will build code we can't even follow. Think about that reality. You use an app someday built by an AI mind that no one fully understands. It's already designing new logic, creating structures never seen before, inventing shortcuts humans never imagined. We're not in control anymore. We're partnering with intelligence now. But here's a beautiful thought. What if everyone becomes a creator? You, watching this, have ideas. You've said, "I wish this existed." Now it can. Now you can build it. You don't need to code. You need a vision now. You speak it, AI listens. It builds your dream immediately. The digital divide shrinks daily. From billion-dollar teams to bedrooms. A teenager with vision and an AI tool can compete. It's equal parts thrilling, scary. The world's about to change. Prices for these tools vary. Copilot costs around $10 a month. Replit's AI assistant starts free. Premium goes up to $20. Qodo is still in beta, but enterprise demos show scale. Startups are saving millions yearly. No need for massive teams. No huge dev hiring costs. Just focused humans and machines. But there's more to ponder. Will we value code less? Will human developers feel obsolete? Some say no, not yet. Humans guide creativity and ethics. We choose what's worth building. AI helps build it fast. It's a partnership for now. But partnerships evolve over time. Just ask chess grandmasters today. They now lose to AI. They now team up instead. So should we with code. Imagine AI designing whole games. It writes the story, music, even animates scenes in real time. Imagine AI building life-saving software in hospitals where seconds matter, or automating education systems worldwide for children with no teachers. This is where we're headed. This is what's now possible. And still, some resist it. They fear job loss, disruption. That fear is not wrong. It's natural and deeply human. But history repeats a pattern. Every great tool changed labor. Printing press. Steam engine. Internet. Each ended old careers fast, but created 10 times more. New jobs always emerge later. Prompt engineer. AI auditor. Ethical code reviewer. Product explainer. Even storytellers like me. We help you understand change. The future wants you involved. It doesn't care about credentials. It rewards creativity, curiosity, courage. The question isn't, will AI replace? The question is, will you adapt? Will you co-create with it? Or get left behind watching? AI is your new teammate. Not a threat, a tool. But only if you guide it. Only if you stay learning. Because here's the hard truth. AI doesn't wait for anyone. So choose to evolve now. Dive in, get your hands dirty. Break things, build better ones fast. The time is right now. Don't wait for permission anymore. Start building with your mind. Let AI be your hands. For more insights and updates, make sure to subscribe now. Don't forget to like, comment, and share your own journey. Thank you for being here.